Okay, hi guys, this is Miss Williams signing on to show you how to make a foldable for the story, The Ravine. Hopefully you all have read that story. It's a pretty good story. If you haven't, you should go ahead and read the story. Okay, so we're going to be talking about character, uh, motivations, actions, development, and we're going to make a foldable to display all those things in an organized way. So first things first, you're going to need a blank sheet of paper. Okay, once you get your paper, turn it horizontal, which is this way, not this way, but this way. Okay, so once you have your paper, you're going to fold it 3 times, and they're going to be even on the left side and the right side, but in the middle is going to be a larger portion. So let me show you here. So I take one side here, fold it like that, and the other side, meet it in the middle. Okay, so it looks like this, kind of like those things you have whenever you're taking a test, like this. So make sure that the middle has a larger portion than the left and the right side. So it's going to look just like this. Okay, all right, first I'm going to take my pen here, and on the left side, on the outside, I'm going to write characters. Okay, characters. On this side, you're going to list all the characters. Now, we had 4 major characters and 4 minor characters. So I'm going to write major at the top, and I want to draw a line, and I'm going to write minor at the bottom. And actually, I'll give you some bullet points here. Okay, so 4 major, 4 minor. Okay, now on the right side, you're going to write traits. Okay, and what traits is referring to are different types of qualities, characteristics of these characters. So we had, well, I'm not going to say the characters, but we had those 4 characters in the story. So tell me, how would you describe those characters? Tell me here. And the way we did this was we put all 4 characters' name, and I just wrote a character here, so I'm going to erase it. 2, 3, 4. So you can write it. So I have all my 4 characters here, and then you can write some little bullet points about each one and how to describe them. Okay, so now I'm going to open up my flap, and on the inside here, this is right behind where characters is. There's characters there, and on the inside here, I'm going to write why and motives. Okay, so motives. So this is what made the character do what he or she did. So what motivated them to make the decisions that they made or the actions that they made. So write all those here. And again, this is right behind the characters flap. So there it goes, why and motivations. Then on the other side, let me make sure I have my notes here. I have actions. All right, so these right here, this is right behind traits, actions. So here we're going to discuss all the actions that were completed in the story. So we can talk about what a certain character did. You list all of them here. And it doesn't have to be character specific, but you can just write whatever kind of action happened. List them up there. Okay? And in the middle are emotions and feelings. Okay, so this is in the middle. So I have my why, motivations, motives, emotions and feelings, and then actions. And on this side, you're going to tell me about the emotions and the feelings of why these characters were feeling the way that they felt. How did such and such feel when this happened? How did this person feel when that happened? What was going through their mind? So you're going to write that here. And if you want to, you can write the 4 characters, and we can talk about maybe why those characters were feeling the way that they felt. Okay, then on the back side here, you're going to write character changes. Okay, so now we're going to discuss, did any of the characters change from start to finish? So was at the beginning of the story, one character felt this way, but did they still feel the same way towards the end of the story? So if they did, you can write it here. If there was no change, then you can write that character and no change. Okay, so this is how your foldable should look. This is on one side, and this is on the other. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help. Okay, hope you guys are doing well. Be sure to stay safe. Bye.